To use the microwave oven, the Panasonic microwave oven, open the switch right here, place the food right here. You can use this. Now here we have a lot of options for the timer. You can edit by quick 30 as well. You can also increase it by minutes or 10 minutes exactly, and then all you do, press start. However, for the basic heating up of food, I always suggest the quick 30. Adjust it, keep pressing it till you have the desired amount. Just press start. Now to get your food out, I would not recommend just pressing the button getting the food out, but just pressing stop so it remains stagnant, and to reset just press it again.